Hi everyone, this is Sidra, and I found it very suitable to talk about the days of COVID. I mean, it's a chaos, it's a chaotic condition all around, and I feel myself responsible for that I'm not delivering what I'm having in my brain. I'll tell you that before 1.5 years, when this all started, I was scared. You can't even imagine that how much I was scared. For whole the day and night, continuously, I was having one message in my brain that I'll be definitely catching this disease and my kids are going to catch this disease also. And I was confused. I was so confused. I'm not having words to explain it. All times on YouTube, I used to open the pages, I used to open the channels which were talking about this disease, and I was just confused. Helpless is the best word to define my condition. So I argued with my husband and I said this, that you just kick out your job, stop going outside of your house, and please don't go to the job place. Because whenever he used to come at home, I started weeping. So I used to sanitize the things which he brought every day. That was a bad time. That was a very bad time of my life. My husband left the job. We were passing through a very critical time, and it was again a very big financial hit. It was a very big crisis. He tried to convince me, but I wasn't intended to find it out. I wasn't intended to listen anything. I just wanted, my mother even called me several times. She even tried to say this, that I'm coming to convince her. I said, no, don't come at my house. I was just scared. I left meeting the people all around and I was just confused. So finally I came to know that this was not as much dangerous as it was perceived by me. I said, okay, let's think about it. Means let's rethink about it. My husband rejoined the job. I started sending the child to the school. I was stronger than before. I found some things in my life. I became regular in YouTube videos. I started writing English poetry. That is my most favorite thing. So once again, the life started running normally. Then I deeply studied about it and I realized that there were just a few precautions needed and nothing else. Okay, I started taking precautions and that was all right. I just vanished. I tried to vanish, hold the threat at my heart. This is one side. The other side, I made my brain busier. I made myself busier in writing. I became regular and serious about my YouTube channel. I started trying unique dishes, related to the cooking. Means I made my brain busier. One of my friends always wanted to be a designer. I suggested her to go for the classes because this is a time to utilize yourself. She started taking free online classes from YouTube and she has become an awesome designer now. One of my friends started speaking English. She started taking English classes free online from YouTube. Means everybody can beat the tensions if he or she is having a potential at heart. Means this is just needed to focus what is going on. You cannot change the environment, you cannot change the markets, you cannot change the setups. For example, I just feel irritated while wearing the mask, but I cannot change it. I have to wear while going out. So my message in this video is to get the things what you had in your brains and you have forgotten about it. Right now you are not recalling anything. Try to give some time to yourself and try to utilize yourself. Try to utilize those things which were pending in your life always. For example, you wanted to be a painter. Use this time for this reason. And please, 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 the people who are not having jobs, don't be worried. If you are having a phone, just turn it on. Find your ways. You must be having any little quality in your personality. For example, you can talk, you can sing, you can talk in a way that you just start talking on YouTube. Just make a channel. It is very easy. I have listened about it. I haven't made my own channel. My husband helped me, but I have listened about it that it is just a game of 1 or 2 minutes. You can make your own channel. You cannot do anything. You cannot earn a single penny. Even after making a channel, just for 8 to 9 months, just stop thinking of your income, your revenues. In the case, if you are lucky enough that you just start your channel and you can be blasting within a few days. So this all can be happened to you. So my message for today is that there is a way around you, nearest to you, but you are not finding it. You are not watching it. You just focus on it and you will get it. I believe if you start your own channel, if you start any domestic industry, if you start any little business, food, one of my uncles, he lives in Spain. He said that everybody eats and food business can never be failed. Sooner or later, it becomes accepted. So you can start doing anything. Do you know that you are not sitting in front of the camera and you are not displaying yourself? Even then you can work on YouTube. You just take your camera and focus your stuff. You can show what you are cooking. You can show your kids while having the food. You can make vlogs without showing yourself. I have seen several channels in which women are not showing themselves. Just start your work, start your business. And if you are a male, you are getting a huge opportunity. I always ask my husband to do this because I love this job, that you just go to any dhaba, any ready, any sort of such type of a little food corner, that is mobile food corner that can be moving. You should go there and show the procedure by which, even if a fruit cutter, a man who is cutting the fruit, you should focus him, you should capture him while showing the people. It is awesome thing to do. It is satisfactory for the people who are watching it. Anything, any quality what you are having in your brain, please utilize it. Don't let yourself be going in the chaos of COVID-19. My point is this: don't let it be beating you. Don't let it be hitting you. You know, this is very hurting time. It is really hurting. Since 1 year, I'm not sending my child to the school, but I'm not taking it on my head. I'm not going to be a victim to this situation. I am bravely fighting with it, and I'm really very happy because I am working on YouTube. Whatever the level of sense I'm having, I'm just delivering it up because I'm busy. I'm not letting anything be coming in my ways. I'm just running and just running. I'm really, really grateful to you because you listen to me. You just spend your precious time with me. You give time to me. Thank you so much. Goodbye.